What's good, YouTube? In this video, we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro. So on the back, you have these pull tabs right here. You just pull that over. No more plastic wrapped around the whole device, so that's no fun. The days of the satisfying peels of plastic are gone. Apple is trying to be more environmentally friendly, so they did away with that plastic. And there you have it. Nice and beautiful. Inside the box, not too much. You get the charger and you get the little Apple designed by California situation, SIM card removal, little information, and you get the Apple sticker as always. This time, the charger is not going to be lightning to lightning. It's going to be lightning to USB-C over here. So if you don't have a USB-C brick, go get one, but make sure you get the correct one. Do not be getting the ones that's real cheap, the knockoff type. That's not going to do any good for you, and it's probably going to charge very slow. Coming over to the phone, there's nothing on the back of the phone protecting it, so when you pull this bad boy out, you just need to be very cautious. If you look around the side, you can already see the fingerprints are starting to show. Put the case on there, you'll be all good. The build quality of this bad boy is magnificent. I'm not going to lie to you. It feels so good in the hand. My favorite design of iPhone is actually the squared off edges. The 5 was my most favorite iPhone. They really brought it back. They even have the same line right there as they used to have on the other iPhones too. So the antennas are doing their thing through these right here. Over here on the left of the phone, you have your SIM card slot right there. You have your volume up and down as usual, and you have your vibrate and silence switch right there as well. Very familiar design. Over here, you have your lock button. And go ahead and just see what this screen is looking like. Peel that back. Dang, I wish it sounded a little bit more nice, but it's all good. The screen looking nice, looking cool, obviously. Go ahead and power that bad boy up. Nice, beautiful animation for the startup screen. Dang, hold on, let's go ahead and check out that camera real quick though. Photographic styles. So it's gonna tell you all these different things. You can choose a style, you can set up later. I'm gonna go ahead and set up later. As far as the camera is concerned, this bad boy looking cool. Hold on. Dang, bruh. Just from that quick little picture, hold on, let me take a picture of something else real quick. Crispy. I know that's not gonna do it justice, but come on. I can zoom in really far with it and it's still staying crisp. Like, are you serious, bro? Are you serious? Like, look at the remote. That's crazy, bro. Bro, you can't be for real. This camera is impeccable, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. That is nice. This video right here was in 1080p, 30 FPS, and it's looking very, very crisp. This is looking real to life right here. I'm not gonna lie to you. My greasy computer. That's wild, bro. This right here is 4K at 60 FPS. This is beautiful. This is nice. This is crisp. No cap. You can't be serious, bro. I want to take another picture with it. Hold on. Are you serious? Look at the blur in the background, bro. What? If you need a phone just for the camera, this right here is the move right here. This will get you right. This will get you right. That is beautiful. But there you have it. There's the unboxing and showing a little bit about the camera and how it looks. It looks pretty crispy. The build quality is beautiful on this thing. Apple really outdone themselves with this phone. Man. Whew. If you enjoyed the video, please slam like. It's greatly appreciated. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.